In the chill of early 18th century England, the course of industrial history stood poised on the brink of transformation. The year was 1709. The place, Coalbrookdale in Shropshire, a site whose name would soon echo in the chronicles of industrial lore. At this pivotal juncture, a metallurgical revolution was taking shape that would forever alter the landscape of iron production. This revolution was born out of necessity, crafted in the fires of innovation, and carried forward by the vision of one determined man, Abraham Darby. Abraham Darby, a Quaker with a sharp mind for engineering and business, saw the world around him increasingly reliant on iron. Ships, tools, machinery, and buildings all demanded this sturdy metal. Yet the process to produce it was fraught with inefficiencies. The traditional charcoal-fired bloomery method was proving inadequate to meet the burgeoning needs of a developing world. Forests were diminishing, with trees cut down to produce the essential charcoal. And so, Darby sought a solution in the most unlikely of places, beneath the earth itself. With a bold stroke, Darby turned his attention to coke, a solid fuel derived from coal, which brimmed beneath the soils of Coalbrookdale. Unlike charcoal, coke was plentiful and had the promise of burning hotter and more efficiently. He knew such a transition was fraught with technical challenges. But where most saw obstacles, Darby saw opportunities. Through relentless experimentation, years of trial and error, and steadfast resolve, Darby pioneered a groundbreaking technique, smelting iron using coke in place of charcoal. His method, tested far from prying eyes, vastly increased the volume and quality of iron that could be produced, ushering in the age of the modern blast furnace. The new furnace towered above its predecessors, a colossus fed by steady streams of coke rather than dwindling reserves of charcoal. And with it, Darby unlocked the door to large-scale iron production. Such advancements did not go unnoticed. The Industrial Revolution, which flickered like a hesitant flame at the dawn of the 18th century, would soon roar to life, fueled by the infernos stoked within blast furnaces across the land. The impact of this innovation was manifold. Darby laid the foundation for mass production, a principle that would ripple through time, influencing everything from manufacturing to economic theory. By reducing the reliance on wood, he inadvertently contributed to forest conservation, heralding a more sustainable future for subsequent generations. In recognizing Darby's contribution, we nod to the ingenuity and relentless human spirit that perseveres in the quest for advancement. From the first tepid glows of his furnace fires, the world realized the full potential of what could be when determination marries innovation. The tale of the first modern blast furnace is more than a story of technical achievement. It's about visionaries and dreamers who dared to peer beyond the constraints of their times. It's about understanding the interplay between nature's resources and human invention in a way that not only addresses immediate needs but spirals into lasting legacies. Today, we invite you to reflect on this saga of creativity and perseverance. Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. If you found our journey into the past enlightening and wish to explore more tales of innovation that shaped our world, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating historical narratives. Your support is our motivation to continue unraveling the tapestry of history, one story at a time.